फैंटेसी जो होती
In this question we are given t, it is given as an expression, t is equal to 3 by 5 plus 6 by 5 square plus 11 by 5 cube plus 18 by 5 to the power 4 towards infinity. So this looks like a complicated expression. To make it simple, to understand it more easily, let us assume that the value of x is equal to 1 by 5. So the value of t will become equal to 3x plus 6x square plus 11x cube plus dot 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 plus 18x to the power 4 plus dot 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 till infinity. So the coefficient of x is increasing by 1. Initially we had x, then we had x square plus x cube and dot dot dot. And now if you are looking only at the coefficient, the first coefficient is 3, then it is 6, then it is 11, then it is 18. So if you notice closely, the difference between 3 and 6 is 3. The difference between 6 and 11 is 5. The difference between 11 and 18 is 7, and so on. So the coefficient is increasing in an increasing arithmetic progression. So for these kind of questions, there is a simple trick to do. Let us multiply t with x. So the value of tx is equal to 3x square plus 6x cube plus 11x to the power 4 plus dot 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 till infinity. Notice that we have switched all the powers of x one to the right. Now if you subtract t, the second equation from the first equation, so t minus tx, that is t into 1 minus x, is equal to 3x plus 6x square minus 3x square will be equal to 3x square plus 11x cube minus 6x cube is equal to 5x cube plus 18x to the power 4 minus 11x to the power 4 will be 7x to the power 4 plus 9x to the power 5 and so on plus dot 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 till infinity. Now notice that the coefficient is in an arithmetic progression. Earlier the difference between coefficients is in an arithmetic progression. Now the coefficient itself is in an arithmetic progression. So what we'll do is quite simple. We'll bring 3x to the other side just for ease. So t into 1 minus x minus 3x is equal to 3x square plus 5x cube plus 7x to the power 4 plus 9x to the power 5 till infinity. And we'll repeat the same trick. We'll again multiply both the left hand side and right hand side with x. So the left hand side becomes equal to tx into 1 minus x minus 3x square is equal to 3x cube plus 5x to the power 4 plus 7x to the power 5 plus dot 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 till infinity. Now again if you subtract the second equation from the first equation, the right hand side becomes quite easy. This becomes equal to 3x square plus 2x cube plus 2x to the power 4 plus 2x to the power 5 plus dot 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 till infinity. What is the sum of 2x cube plus 2x to the power 4 plus 2x to the power 5? This is a geometric progression where the common difference r, in this case is x, is less than 1. So the sum will be equal to a by 1 minus r. That is the first term divided by 1 minus the common ratio. So this will be equal to 3x square plus 2x cube divided by 1 minus x. This is the value of the right hand side. We can calculate the value. The left hand side also we can calculate. This is equal to t into 1 minus x minus 3x. What is the value of x? X is 1 by 5. So 1 minus x is equal to 4 by 5. So the first term on the left hand side will be equal to 4t by 5 minus 3 by 5. And the second term will be equal to 4t by 25 minus 3 by 25. So if you subtract the second term from the first term, what you are going to get is 4t by 5 minus 4t by 25 will be equal to 16t by 25 minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 25 will be equal to 12 by 25. This is the left hand side. This is equal to 3x square plus 2x cube by 1 minus x. We can simplify 3x square. This will be equal to 3 by 25 plus what is the value of 2x cube? That will be 2 into 1 by 25. 125 divided by 1 minus x is again 4 by 5. You can simplify this. This is 2 and this is 25. So this is equal to plus 1 by 50. So 16t by 25 will be equal to, this will be 15 by 25 plus 1 by 50. This is equal to 31 by 50. Or the value of t will be equal to 31 by 32. Notice that the trick that we did was just multiplying the left hand side and right hand side with the common ratio which is equal to x, and then switching all the powers of x one to the right, and then most of them get cancelled and we get a simple geometric progression whose value can be found out easily. So the answer in this case is 31 by 32.